is up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, although it's going to be a little bit short, I'm gonna do an unboxing haul from GOAT. And if you aren't familiar with GOAT, this isn't sponsored by the way, but if you aren't familiar with GOAT, GOAT sells apparel and a bunch of sneakers. So for you sneakerheads out there, this is a very good website for you if you have not heard of GOAT. Go check it out. So for this video, I am gonna be unboxing shadow backboards. And if you aren't familiar, we are gonna get into it today. Okay. Who texted me? Okay. So to start this video off, just get yourself a pair of keys. So I have these one over here. You don't need keys, you can use knives, you can use scissors. Okay. So start off, grab your box, grab your keys, and we are gonna open this bad boy. I claim to be a sneakerhead, so if I get anything wrong, I am very sorry. Okay, this box is now opened. Now let me give you a few information about the shoe. Okay, so start off, these are how shadow backboards look. These recently released in fall 2019. It says Michael Jordan shattered the backboards with one of his iconic slam dunks during a Nike exhibition tour back in 1985. These released October 26th. These were on retail for $160. And what you do have to realize is with certain shoes, you will have them be a little bit more expensive depending on where you buy it, when you buy it, and how popular. So I ended up buying these shoes for $235, and these are a size 5. Yes, as you can tell, it's a lot more expensive because these shoes did sell out pretty quick and a lot of people were on the lookout for these shoes. It's right over here. First up, when you unbox GOAT, a GOAT sticker, which I absolutely love, and as you can tell, I've shopped here before, and here I have my GOAT stickers. I believe I have another one because I also bought my turbo greens I bought on GOAT. And I also bought some Cortex basics. They might take a while to ship, but the cool thing about GOAT is that it would literally list everything out. Check your view progress, and you can see here it says ordered, seller confirmed, seller packaging, shipping to GOAT, delivered to GOAT, verified. They have to verify these shoes, and this is what I love about GOAT, is because you know you are not going to get a knockoff. Okay, so now I'm going to open these, and the box are like basic Air Jordan box, nothing too crazy. Same packaging as my turbo greens. Another fun fact is if the seller ends up losing a lid, or the price on the shoe will go down. First thing you're gonna find in your shoe once you open it up, oh, you're gonna get this. This is gonna say how it was verified. Honestly, I absolutely love this shoe. Okay, I love the shine. They're really good. You get these in it. I don't have to take them off, but you do get some black laces, and you also get some orange, like nice. And here are the shoes side by side. Very nice pairs of shoes. As my turbo green, these are the turbo greens, which is one of my favorite pairs of shoes. Sorry, but it's a little scruffed up, which I absolutely love that look. And yeah, you can get purple laces match, and I also brings these as well, at least, and they came in the same way. So even though it is used, it is still gonna have that same verified note, just to make sure that even if it's used, you want to make sure it's the real deal. Yeah, these retail for $120, and I got it for around $240. It did go up at least a good amount. It is worth it if you want to start a sneaker collection. I am not a sneakerhead by any chance, and I don't claim to be. I just really love shoes. Let me know any suggestions down below, any shoes that you think I should buy, anything I should look for, anything you guys might want me to review, because honestly, I'm willing to put in the work, and I love shoes, and I still want to build my shoe game up. Hopefully you do guys enjoyed this video. Obviously I did not go so in depth with the shoes, but I will educate myself on how I can review this a lot better. Keep in mind, this is my first sneaker review, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm not sticking to one genre in this channel, So I'm just showing you guys things that I'm passionate about, maybe entrepreneurship, all that jazz. I do have my own business. It's a lip gloss business, and I can do a whole video dedicated on that.